plugged into the car. For your safety, remain seated throughout your journey, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your car. And please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip.
Welcome aboard the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover, your quiet and carefree highway in the sky. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your Grand Circle tour of Tomorrowland. Along the way, you can preview many of the exciting places you'll want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land of tomorrow. The Peoplemover is the perfect vehicle for people watching, so keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see. Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world. High-flying adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside this rotating theater, full families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your star cruiser and join me on this daring space mission. I'm going to see you on the reserve.
This time it's laughter thereafter at Monsters Incorporated. So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh More. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
As we approach the Tomorrowland Transit Authority station, our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Welcome aboard the Tomorrowland Transit Authority Peoplemover. Your flight and carrying
Step onto the rolling path with caution.
You know what? I'm stoked that there are two of these in this bag. Yes! Look at how awesome this is. This is like Figment's dad. McDonald's and the Happy Meal were part of my childhood, your childhood, everyone's childhood. It didn't matter if your mom and dad wouldn't let you eat them or your mom and dad unfortunately let you eat too many of them. Happy Meals was something that everyone knew about, and Disney was something that everyone also knew about. So it made sense that the Happy Meal toy would slowly find its way into some Disney licensing.